Are you looking for a smartwatch that's sleek, powerful, and packed with features to keep you connected and healthy? In this video, let's take a closer look at the Apple Watch Series 10 with the GPS 42mm jet black aluminum case and black sport band. From fitness tracking to health insights, we'll explore what makes this watch stand out. We have included links in the description. Apple Watch Series 10, GPS 42mm case, smartwatch with jet black aluminum case with black sport band S/M, a fitness tracker, ECG app, always-on retina display, water resistant. Let's dive deeper into what makes the Apple Watch Series 10 a standout choice if you're thinking about upgrading your smartwatch or getting your very first one. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The 42mm jet black aluminum case has a clean, modern finish that looks refined yet sporty. It's not too heavy and sits comfortably on the wrist. Paired with the black sport band in size S/M, it's built for both everyday wear and active use. The band itself feels soft and flexible, which means it doesn't get in the way during workouts or long days at the office. Plus, the pin and tuck closure makes it easy to put on and take off without worrying about it coming loose. Now, the display is really where the watch shines. The always-on retina display means you don't have to do that awkward wrist flick or tap to check the time or see your stats. The screen stays visible, but dims when you're not actively looking, so it saves power while keeping key info at a glance. The display is bright and crisp, which makes text and notifications easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Whether you're running outside, in a meeting, or just glancing down while carrying groceries, you can see what matters instantly. When it comes to fitness tracking, the Apple Watch Series 10 takes it to another level. It tracks a wide range of workouts automatically, like running, cycling, swimming, HIIT sessions, and more. You can also start workouts manually and set your own goals. The watch measures metrics like heart rate, calories burned, distance, pace, and even elevation gain during hikes. What's really motivating are the activity rings: move, exercise, and stand. Throughout the day, you'll see these rings fill up, encouraging you to stay active, stand up more, and get in at least 30 minutes of exercise. It sounds simple, but seeing those rings almost closed really pushes you to keep going. Beyond fitness, health features are a big reason why so many people choose Apple Watch. The built-in ECG app lets you take an electrocardiogram anytime. It's easy, just place your finger on the digital crown for about 30 seconds, and you'll see your heart rhythm. If anything irregular shows up, you can save the data and share it directly with your doctor. There's also continuous heart rate monitoring, so you get alerts if your heart rate goes unusually high or low. This can be a lifesaver if you don't even realize something might be off. Another feature worth mentioning is water resistance. The watch is designed to handle swimming, showers, or even running in the rain without worry. You can track swimming workouts, counting laps and tracking stroke type and distance. For anyone who loves pool workouts or outdoor activities, that level of durability really matters. In terms of everyday convenience, the watch keeps you connected without having to pull out your phone constantly. With GPS, it can map your runs or bike rides even if you leave your iPhone behind. You get text messages, call alerts, and app notifications directly on your wrist. Plus, Siri makes it easy to set reminders, get directions, or control smart home devices just by speaking. Want to start a timer while cooking? Just ask Siri, and it's done in seconds. And finally, let's not forget about customization. You can switch out watch bands to match your outfit or activity, and choose from a wide variety of watch faces, from minimalist designs to detailed faces showing weather, calendar, and activity stats. The personalization makes it feel uniquely yours. Battery life comfortably covers a full day, even with active use. Charging is quick and simple, so it fits easily into your nightly routine. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 10 isn't just about telling time. It's about motivating you to stay active, helping you track your health, and keeping you effortlessly connected to what matters most. Overall, the Apple Watch Series 10 offers a perfect balance of design, health tracking, and everyday convenience. It's stylish, powerful, and built to keep you connected wherever you go. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews. And if you're thinking of getting this watch, check out the link in the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching.